Welcome to Guide Up. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to change your Snapchat username. It is a very simple step, but firstly, make sure you have the application and you're logged into your account. Now at this home page, at the top left, you can see your profile icon. You can tap on that. Now this kind of page will appear, and at the top right, you can see settings icon. You can tap on that. And at the second, you can see the option username. You have to tap on that. Now before changing your username, make sure you are confirm about it because you can only change your username once a year. Now create yourself a username. If you are having problem to create a username, there you can see the option suggest a username. You can tap on that and they will be suggesting you some usernames. After you are done creating your username, you can tap on next. Now to confirm your username change, you need to enter your password. After you are done entering your password, tap on confirm. This kind of box will pop up. All you need to do is tap on confirm. And now you can see that your username has been changed. This is how to change a Snapchat username. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.